I had been fishing, but I did not stay long. And the boy asked him, did you catch any fish? He said, no, I didn't even catch any fish. There was a long silence. Then Ranjit said, it's a good rod. And then Ranjit asked, Ranjit said that this rod, the fishing rod, it's a good rod. This is a good flute. Then the boy said, this flute what I have, this is also a good flute, said the boy. Ranjit took the flute and examined it. Then Ranjit took the flute and he started looking at it. Yeah, let me see, it is good. He put it to his lips and blew hard. Ranjit took the flute from the boy, put the flute to his lip and he blew hard. There was a shrill, squeaky noise and a startled magpie flew out of mango tree. That means as soon as Ranjit blew the flute, it made a shrill, squeaky noise, means unpleasant noise. It made an unpleasant noise. It was so unpleasant, the noise was so bad that a startled magpie, it is the name of a bird, a black and white bird with a long tail and a noisy cry. So the bird also was startled with the noise. It was so bad, and it flew out from a mango tree. It was so bad, the shrill of the flute which Ranjit blew. Not bad, said Ranjit. The boy had taken the rod from Ranjit and was looking over it. Not bad, he said. So the boy also, he took the rod, examined the rod and he said that this rod is okay, it is not bad. That means it is okay. In the same way, Ranjit also examined the flute and he said, yeah, the flute also is okay. Ranjit hesitated no longer. Let's exchange. And then Ranjit, he did not hesitate. He wanted to exchange. And therefore he said, let us exchange. You do one thing, you take my fishing rod and give me your flute. A trade was made. Trade was made means a deal was made. He gave his rod to that boy and the boy gave the flute to Ranjit. Trade means an exchange of things or goods between people. The boy took the fishing rod and went on his way. Ranjit began playing the flute, and this boy, then he took the fishing rod and he went away. And Ranjit took the flute and he started moving and he started playing the flute. The notes sounded lovely to him, but they startled people who were passing on the road. Okay, now he started playing the flute over Ranjit and he thought that he was playing the flute very nicely. But people who heard Ranjit playing the flute, they did not like it. It was unpleasant noise. It was a harsh noise. That is the meaning of here. But they startled people who were passing on the road. Means whoever passed on the road while Ranjit was playing the flute, they all were startled. They were surprised. Not in the positive sense, in the negative sense. Okay, they were startled. They did not like the sound of the flute. When he came to the clock tower where the bazaar began, he sat on the low wall and blew vigorously on the flute. Then Ranjit came to the bazaar, he sat near the tower. If you see in the book, tower is there, Ranjit sitting over there and he started blowing vigorously, means with full strength, with full energy, kept on blowing the flute. It is something new to him, so he is just trying to learn how to blow a flute. I can play better than that, said a boy who was carrying several empty milk cans. And then a boy passing through over there, he said, what are you playing like this? I can play better than you. Let's see, Ranjit said. And then Ranjit said, Acha, let us see now who can play better, you or I, let us see now. The boy took the flute and played a lovely little tune. And then the boy, he took the flute and he started playing. And he played a very lovely little tune, means a beautiful tune he played. It was very nice, very soothing, very pleasant. That means he knew to play the flute. You can have it for a rupee, said Ranjit. And then Ranjit also told him, you do one thing, you can keep this flute and you give me 1 rupee and you can take the flute. I don't have any money to spare. Meaning, I don't have any extra money to buy the flute with. Means he does not have any money, the boy says. I don't have any money to give you. But you can have this necklace. Then the boy says, see, I don't have money, I can't give you 1 rupee, but you do one thing, I have this necklace. You take this necklace and give me the flute. He showed Ranji a pretty necklace of brightly colored stone. So this necklace, it was very bright, means, and it was made of colored stones, brightly colored stone. The stones are very precious, said the boy. And then the boy said, see, this stone what I am giving you, it is very precious. It is of good, very precious, very important, okay, very precious, good quality. They were found in the mountains near Tibet. And the boy says, these stones are found in the mountains near Tibet. Ranji knew the stone had little value, but they were pretty. But then Ranji also knew that these stones which he is talking about, this boy, it had little value. Value was not there much in the market, but they were pretty. As he was tired of the flute, they made the exchange and the boy went off playing the flute. And Ranji also now he was tired of playing the flute, therefore he also said, okay, let me get rid of the flute. He gives the flute to the boy and the boy gives him the necklace, and then there was a deal there. The boy takes the flute, he keeps playing, and he goes away. Ranji was about to thrust the necklace into his pocket when he noticed a girl staring at him. And then Ranji, he took the necklace and he was about to put the necklace into his pocket. And then what he saw? He saw that a small girl was looking at him. Small girl looking at Ranji. And her name was Koki. And she lived close to his house. This girl Koki, she lived very close to Ranji's house. Hello Koki, he said. What's that you have got, Ranji? Then Ranji greets Koki, tells her hello, and then in reply, the girl Koki, she asks Ranji, what do you have in your pocket? A necklace. Would you like to have it? Then he says, I've got a necklace, and do you want it? Oh, thank you, said Koki, clapping her hands with pleasure. And then when Ranji tells Koki, what do you want it? She is extremely happy here. Naturally, girls, we know girls, they like necklace and jewelry very much. She is extremely happy that Ranji is offering her the necklace. So with pleasure, she claps her hand. 1 rupee, said Ranji. And then Ranji said, 1 rupee. That means you take this necklace and give me a rupee. Oh, said Koki. She made a face. She made a face mean showed she was not happy. That means, oh, you want 1 rupee in exchange for this necklace. No, then let it be. I will not make this deal. That is the meaning of showed a face. But Ranji was looking on the other way and humming. But Ranji did not see that. He was just looking somewhere, just humming away in this way. Koki kept staring at the necklace. Slowly she opened a little purse, took out a shining new rupee, and then Koki, she opens the purse. She opens the purse and she takes out a shining new rupee. That means a new coin. She has the new 1 rupee coin, not the coin which Ranji had at the beginning, the old coin which was of no value, and held it out to Ranji. Ranji handed her the necklace. Then he ran to the Jamna sweet shop and tossed the coin on the counter. Jalebi for a rupee, he said. And then the exchange is done. Necklaces, the girl gives Ranji the necklace. Ranji gives girl the necklace and the girl gives him a 1 rupee coin. And then he takes the coin and then again he goes back to the shop, the Jamna sweet shop. At the beginning we studied that he went at the beginning with a 1 rupee coin to the Jamna sweet shop to buy 1 rupee jalebi. And then again at the last he goes back over there and he says, "Jalebi for a rupee," he said. The sweet seller studied the coin carefully and said, "Always at your service, sir." And then again the sweet seller is, this is good quality. And then he says, "Always at your service, sir." Sir is here being referred to Ranji, means definitely I will give you the 1 rupees worth jalebi. He filled a paper bag with hot jalebis and handed them over. Then he took a bag, put jalebis into the bag, and he gave the bag to Ranji. Said, "Take the jalebi." When Ranji reached the clock tower, he found Koki waiting. Then again he went to the bazaar, he went to the tower, went to the tower, and when he reached the tower, he saw this girl Koki. She is still waiting for Ranji over there, waiting there. "Oh, I am so hungry," she said, giving him a shy smile. And this girl also, when Koki, when she sees the jalebi in Ranji's hand, she says that, "I am also very hungry over here. I am very much hungry." And she gives a smile while saying so. So they sat side by side on the low wall, and Koki helped Ranji finish the jalebi. And then we see at the last that Ranji and Koki, both of them, they sit on the wall, and both of them they eat the jalebi. So this is the lesson. A rupee goes a long way. The meaning of the lesson is a rupee, the name of that means we see the rupee keeps changing, exchange, deal, trade is being done, and ultimately he gets back a 1 rupee coin, and he goes to the sweet shop, and then he purchases jalebi worth 1 rupee. So I hope so you understood the lesson, and it is advised that at home you read the lesson once more, so that if you have any problem you can rectify the problem. Okay, now word meaning we shall do now. Word meaning. So how to do the word meaning, I'll just show you. You take out your copy and write. So whenever you do the word meaning, in your copy one side you write word, underline. Okay, you write word over here and underline. Draw margin over here in between, write meaning, capital letter, underline this word also. Word meaning. And how to write, I will just give you an example. Suppose the word is number 1, you write number 1 over here. Slide away. This is the word. Now the meaning you write over here. So the meaning of slide away is move away. In this way you do the word meaning. The word and the meaning is there in the